This is how I made this Nintendo Switch game box. First, I got everything modeled using Fusion. First prints were not perfect, and I had to adjust some spacing issues. I also needed to add a lip for the lid. The exterior was finished. Next, I tested the interior mechanisms. The first lever design did not stay in place the way I hoped. I designed a hinge and reshaped the button slightly. Next, the sliding tray had too much room to turn and did not slide. I tested a solution first by taping some scrap material. That actually worked, but the tray slid a little too high. With a shorter button and a stopper face, everything worked. First, set up the print. This is how mine looked when organized by color. Fit the 3 question marks into the holes. You may need to adjust your printing settings to get correct tolerances. Insert the button through the front hole, then add the front face to the button. Place the lever in place with the axle under the slot of the base and the curved edge facing upward. Place the tray in the box on top of the lever. If the tray gets stuck, you can try adding 1 or more layers of tape on the backside as necessary. Load up your tray and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. Please like and subscribe.